Hi children and viewers, in this video you are going to know about the Aufbau principle. To write the electronic configuration, Aufbau principle is one of the most important. Children, to explain the Aufbau principle, there are two rules are there. The first one is electrons are filled to the orbitals to the n plus L. Electrons are filled to the or assigned to the orbitals to the n plus L values in increasing order. In increasing order. Just wait, don't worry, I will explain here. Electrons are filled to the orbitals to the n plus L increasing order. And second thing is electrons are filled to the subshell value less than the n value. Electrons are filled to the subshell value less than the n value. First thing, electrons are filled to the orbitals n plus increasing order. Okay children, so already we have idea about the Euler chart. Children, here n is equals to 1, n is equals to 2. In n is equals to 1 is main shell has 1s, n is equals to 2s 2p, n is equals to 3, 3s 3p 3d, n is equals to 4, 4s 4p 4d 4f like that. So electrons are filled to the orbitals n plus 1 increasing order. Here for this one, first one, what you have? Only 1s, only 1s, n is equals to 1, L is 0. That means what? 1 plus 0 means 1. So first starts with 1s. Clear? Electrons are filled to the orbitals n plus 1 increasing order. Here first one is what we have? Children, you have to observe. N is equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here L is equals 0, L is equals 1, L is equals 2, L is equals 3. Clear? When L is equals to 0, N is equals to 1. Here 1 plus 0 means 1. Starts with 1. That means first we have to fill the 1s orbital. Clear? Next thing, increasing order. After that we have to fill 1s, next 2s to b. Here what is that? N is equals to 2. L value is 1. 2 plus 1, 3. That means here this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. Clear? Don't confuse. This N is equals to 1. Here L value is 0. Now it is 1s. Clear? N is equals to 2. This is N is equals to 2. Where L value is 0. 2 plus 1. Sorry, 2 plus 0. 2s. And next here n value is 2, L value is 1. What is that? Like this. So 2 L is equals 1 means 2p. Clear? And next thing, electrons are filled the subshell value less than n value. Less than n value. So children, to fill first, here n is equals to 1. N is equals to 1. L is equals to 0. Subshell value must be less than n value. Clear? N is equals to 1, n is equals to 0 children. L is equals to 0 means 0 is less than 1 only. That's why while we are filling the electrons, simply the subshell must be filled with the 1 value that should be lesser than the n value. That is the second rule. Clear? So like that. So to understand very simply, if you can get confusion about these two rules, simply you have to remember that according to the Aufbau principle, first we have to fill the lowest energy level. Lowest energy level. After that we have to fill the every electron by increasing order. By increasing order. So if you can get any confusion about the rules, simply forget about all these things. Simply you can go for this is the main rule like that. What's that? First we have to fill the lowest energy level, next high energy, next high energy, next high energy like that. So how we can identify the higher energy levels means that we have to follow the Euler diagram. Clear? According to the Aufbau principle, first we have to fill the lowest energy level, next like that. So in this case, here from this figure you have to go simply like this. 1s is less than 2s. That means what? First we have to fill the 1s. Next we have to fill the 2s. Next 2s is less than 2p. 2s is less than 2p. Next again 2p is less than 3s. 1s is less than 2s. 2s is less than 2p. And next is 3s. 3s less than 3p. Clear? The 3p is less than 4s. 4s is less than 3d. 3d is less than 4p. And 4p is less than 5s. Like that, children. Clear? So compared to 2s and 1s, 1s is the lowest. That's why you have to fill 1s. Compared to 2p and 2s, 2s is the lowest. And compared to 2s and 3s, 2p is the lower energy level. And 3s, 3p, 3s is the lowest energy level. And 4s, 3p you can compare, 3p is lowest. That's why first we have to fill the lowest one. Compared to 1s is lesser than all these things. 1s is less than 2s, less than 2p, less than 3s, less than 3p, less than 4s, less than 3d, 4p, 5s. So 1s is lesser than all these remaining. That's why we have to fill the first 1s. Clear? Next we have to fill 2s. Next we have to fill 2p. Got my point? ఇక్కడున్న 1s అనేది ఈ మిగతా వాటి కన్నా తక్కువ. కాబట్టి ఫస్ట్ దేని నింపాలి? ఫస్ట్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు ఫిల్ 1s. నెక్స్ట్ ఈ 2s అనేది రిమైనింగ్ ఉన్న అన్ని వాటికన్నా చిన్నది. దిస్ 2s ఈస్ smaller than remaining all. That's why we can fill 2s. Here in this diagram, this arrow mark shows like that only. This arrow mark represents the first we have to fill the 1s. Next we have to fill the 2s. Next we have to fill the 2p. Next we have to fill the 3s. Next we have to fill 3p. Next we have to fill 4s. Next we have to fill 3d. Next we have to fill 4p. Next we have to fill 5s. So that's the rule we have to remember of Aufbau principle. Clear? Aufbau principle is nothing but while assigning the or while we are filling the electrons to the subshells and shells, we have to fill the first lower energy subshell. Then only go for higher. First we have to fill 1s, next 2s, next 2p, next 3s, next 3p, next 4s, next 3d, like that. So this is the order. That is what we call Aufbau principle. To understand the Aufbau principle, I will give one example for you children. Here, for example, now I am going for oxygen, atomic number 8. Atomic number 8. First, what you have to fill, children? 1s2. Clear? Next, what you have to fill? 2s2. Next, what you have to fill? 2p4. This is the electronic configuration. Electronic configuration. 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. So children, every time you have to remember the capacity of s orbital is 2 and capacity of p orbital is 6, capacity of d is 10 and capacity of f is 14 electrons. Clear? Oxygen 8 is there. First we have to fill 1s. The capacity of electrons is here 1s2, 2. Next 2s2. Next 2p4. If in examination, if they give like this 1s3, 2s3 and 2p2. So here this is the configuration of oxygen. Oxygen is 1s3, 2s3, 2p2. So this configuration is correct or not? Which rule is not obeyed? That's the question, children. So which rule is not obeyed? Yes, Aufbau is not obeyed. Or if they give like this, here oxygen, I am writing like this 2s2, 1s2 and 2p4, like this. 1s2, 2s2, 1s2, 2p4. In examination point of view, they will ask like this 2s2, 1s2, 2p4. This is right or wrong? Correct. O is oxygen, it consists of 8 electrons, 2s2, 1s2, 2p4, mentioned like that. So this is the electronic configuration, correct or not? Justify your answer. That is the question, children. Then what you have to say? This is wrong. Why it is wrong? Compared to 2s and 1s, 1s is the lowest energy shell. First we have to fill the 1s. So but here is given 2s. It's the wrong. Clear? 2s2, it is the wrong. And 1s2, 2p4. So then how we can correct this one? Like this: 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. Clear? And next thing, what I told you just before, he was given like this. Got my point, children? If configuration given like this, so 2s2, 1s2, 2p4, then 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. It means that what it is the wrong. This is the wrong, it is the right. Why it is right? First we have to fill the lowest subshell, but here highest subshell is filled. So you have to justify your answer like that. And next, children, and here configuration like this: 1s3, 2s3 and 2p2. It was given like this. Either right or wrong, justify your answer. That's the question asked you. Then what you have to say? Given configuration is wrong. Why it is wrong? The capacity of s orbital is how many? 2 only, but he was mentioned 3, 3. It's the wrong. Then how we can correct that? We can correct like this: 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. This is the correct electronic configuration. Correct electronic configuration. Got, children? And next, so I will go for sulfur 16. Clear? Actual configuration what it is: 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. Clear? First we have to fill 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. How many completed? 10 completed. Now I will write like this: 3p6, 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 6, 10, 10 plus 6, 16. So he was given configuration like this. So if they given configuration like this, either right or wrong, which rule is not obeyed? That's the question. So what I have to say? This is the wrong. Why it is wrong? In this example, off-bow principle is not valid. So after 2p, where we have to go? 3s. Compared to 3s, 3p, 3s is the lowest energy level. First we have to fill the 3s. That's why I am going to write like this: 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. After 2p, what you have to write? 3s. 3s2. And after that only you can go for 3p4. 10, 12, 16. This is the correct one. So this is the about the off-bow principle, children. Simple. You have to fill the first lowest energy level only. So to understand that, you must practice this Euler diagram. Okay, children, I hope you understand. We will meet in the next video with some other example. Bye. Take care.